This is how windy it got last night. I'm glad we didn't get taken out by a widowmaker. We got to move these logs off the road to get by. One Tiger's camping chair. I made it look more complicated than it was. Hey everybody, Andy McDonald, the Maltese Falcon Stealth Camper, out here behind the graveyard again. We discovered this forest on our Halloween video. It's the perfect place for urban stealth camping. It's a beautiful forest, and the weather just is going in our favor today, so we couldn't resist. We're going to make a sleep system, a elevated sleep pad out of saran wrap today. The director's just in the process of finding 3 appropriate trees, or 4 trees. So thank you very much for joining, and hope you enjoy this. Okay, we found 3 trees. This one here, this one here, and this one here. I think I see Sasquatch in the background. So that's what we're going to hook up onto. And we got to haul our gear in here about another 100 meters from where we originally stopped.
A little lower. There, perfect.
What do you think? What do you think?
We got to keep pulling it tight. Put it on the level, huh? Okay, so now we've got the perimeter up, and we're just going to put the cross members in.
Okay.
We were engineering students, UBC, just doing an engineering project, so have a good day.
Let's look at the tree here.
Okay, here's our plastic wrap hammock. We succeeded, not exactly as it planned. We thought it was going to be a double, but when you start putting tension on them, it just narrowed it right down. So it's a single. We've got our plastic wrap upper to hang our tarp over so that we're completely covered, and so we're going to go bring in the rest of our gear and make some dinner. Try and show you guys what's going on. We got all sorts of wrapping around, and then wrapping around like that. Supports one person, and there's the upper to just hang a light tarp over so that we're covered, and then we'll do our camping underneath here. Okay, this is the try. Let's see how this thing works. And there we go. We succeeded in making a hammock out of plastic wrap. And our cozy little camp. We're going to throw a tarp over this, but we wanted to get some shots in before it got totally dark. So it's almost dinner time. We'll just finish off camp and we're going to have a step two. We earned it. That was a tough job putting all that plastic wrap around like that. But so see if I can get out. Beautiful. Good job, director. Okay, guys. Step two time. Gin smash. What flavor is it? It's cranberry. So well deserved tonight, that's for sure. Here we go. Cheers to our subscribers. And if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe. Cheers to you all. Okay guys, we're gonna have a fondue tonight featuring 3 types of cheeses, Gruyere, menthol, and Gouda. And then some chorizo sausage. We're going to dip that in the cheese. And we've also got some French bread to go with it. So here we go. Now we're going to make some beautiful fondue, and I'm grating up the cheese. It's going to be delicious out here at Fondue in the Forest. It doesn't get any better than that. Okay, so about 3/4 of a cup of this is Pinot Grigio.
Good.
We've just transferred into a fondue bowl from the cooking pot. And we've got our chorizo and our bread and our couple of dipping sticks. So let me just put this wine down if there's a spot there. And I'm going to just see how this worked out. I'll put it right in that bubbling cheese. That's good. I'm going to try one of the chorizo sausages now. A little bit of meat and cheese out in the forest. Forest fondue. That's the way it should be. So we're just going to have a few of these with a little Pinot Grigio, and here's to the Stealth Camping Alliance. I wouldn't be doing this without you. Thank you. Just a little nightcap. Some Grand Marnier. That'll sure warm you up. Guys, this is so crazy fun. I've got a stretch wrap hammock made. I'm fully tarped in. I checked from the street. You can't see anything. We've got all sorts of lights on here. We've got a camo tarp at the back, camo tarp on this end. Got this tarp for the rain, which is coming. So, just having the time of my life. And it's just at this point that I'd like to say, if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. It really helps our channel. If you like to comment, please make a comment as well. So, thank you very much. We've got this all set up. We brought a tent along. So the director's just going to sleep in the... It's supposed to be a 2-man, but it's more like a half-person tent. And if it gets crazy and rainy and wet in here, then I can just book it into the tent as well with the director. It'll be a tight squeeze, believe me. But, so thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Let me just show you around the camp. Good morning, guys. It's about 6 a.m. 1 degree, raining and snowy. I don't know, I haven't been out yet, but I just looked on the phone. That's what the weather looks like. It's just pouring rain out there. I had to come in from the stretch wrap hammock shelter, and I came over into the tent with the director. It just got too windy and wet out there. So anyway, we're going to just get things together here and figure out our next move. We got to somehow break camp in the middle of a pouring rainstorm. So it's not going to be fun, but it's got to be done. Anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, here's what we ended up coming out to this morning. I had to go sleep in the tent. The tarp caved in over our stretch wrap hammock. And so this rain, heavy rain, 1 degree above, some snow. And so we're just going to tear down camp and get the hell out of Dodge. That was super fun. Thanks for watching. If you like this, hit the like button. Major challenging, the most challenging stealth I've ever done. Especially with these inclement weather conditions. So anyway, I gotta quit jabbing and start working. Put this camp away. Hike it back out to the car. Well, this is how it all ended, guys. Our stretch wrap hammock ended in a storm. I wish we would have got some shots of the tent. We had the tent set up over there. But anyway, we got to cut this plastic off here now. We're going to recycle it all, eco-friendly, and leave no trace. So that's what I'm going to do now. Start removing this plastic and not damage the tree. Okay, that's a wrap. Leave no trace. Thanks very much for watching. Please hit the like button. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and choose all. Maltese Falcon, out. Snow and everything. It's a true winter camp. It's just wet snow in the fall. Slushy car, but I love it. At least there's no bugs. Oh, look at this.
Oh my God.
You'd have to get out and push some of those out of the way. This is how windy it got last night. I'm glad we didn't get taken out by a widowmaker. We got to move these logs off the road to get by. There's the cemetery from last week. Check out our video. Camping in a graveyard. That was also a fun one.
Except your hammock broke.
Except my hammock tore. So I had to make a plastic hammock out of stretch wrap this week. Just to be sure. If you want something done properly, you got to do it yourself. Okay.
I've never been so happy to just get home and get some dry clothes.